you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have variety fun. I don't even know what month this is. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Variety Fun just arrived, and to be completely honest, I literally legit forgot about this company. And they do send this to me for review, so thank you so much, Variety Fun, for sending me your snack box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, I know they were sending me this like every other month, and then they went every month, and then I think they went to every other month again. I'm not quite sure, so I don't even know what month this is supposed to be, if this is supposed to be February, or if this was last month for January. I'm not sure, but let's see. Normally, there's not like a card or anything, but let's see if there's any paperwork in here that tells us. But, yeah, I mean, when I saw this and I opened up, I'm like, oh, Variety Fun. I forgot about them. I did. So let's get inside. This one, it looks like this month it's with Bear. And then, nope, it doesn't say what month this is at all. So, but that's cool. I've actually been really wanting to try these. The toasted coconut, not so much. But let's see what's all down in here. So this is what it looks like when you first open the box. Let's dive in and see which snacks I'm gonna be snacking on in this month, at least. So going over the Bear, since those are the ones that are right on top, you have baked crunchy chocolate coconut chips. So there's that. I know the perfect person to give these coconut ones to, that absolutely loves coconut and chocolate. So there's that. This one is baked crunchy. This is toasted coconut chips. So both of them are coconut. One just has chocolate. Then we have is a honey coconut chips. Okay, so that one's going away too. I don't like coconut. I can't stand the taste of coconut. And this one is banana chips. So that one I will definitely try. So you have some banana chips, baked and crunchy. Ooh, that sounds amazing. So let's go over the rest of the box now. So now we have Skinny Pop Popcorn White Cheddar, Skinny Pop Popcorn Regular. We have Andy's Hot Fries. There's 2 of those. Oreo Minis. We have 2 Chips Ahoy cookies. We have Grandma's Mini Sandwich Cream. I love Grandma's cookies. So here's some vanilla on vanilla. Now we have some Cheez-Its Original, Cheez-Its White Cheddar. We have Keebler Chips Deluxe Mini Rainbow. So we have 3 of these. We have Ritz Cheese Bites, Knott's Berry Farm Raspberry. We have Snyder's Mini Pretzels, 2 of those. We have 2 Planters Salty Peanuts. Ooh, speaking of Grandma's cookies that I love, here's 2 of chocolate chip. And then here is 2 of the chocolate brownie. What in the world is this? Jolly grape flavored jelly. Chill for a better taste. Jolly jelly mango flavor. Chill for a better taste. So I guess it's like a little jello shot, I guess. I've never seen those before. That's different. So there's a mango and a grape jelly thing. Put them in the refrigerator to taste better. Now we have is Quaker Chewy Chocolate Chip, Dark Chocolate Chunk. So there's those 2. We have 2 different Kellogg's Rice Krispie Treat Originals, Mott's Assorted Fruit Snacks. Now we have Airheads. We have blue raspberry, orange, and blue raspberry. So you have 3 different Airheads. And then you have 2 roll-ups. And these are both in the flavor strawberry. So 2 fruit roll-ups in strawberry. There wasn't any, was there even chips in this one? I see a lot of cookies. Let me dump this back in here. So fruit roll-ups, granola bars. Those are definitely not. So here's more cookies. We have some crackers, okay. So there's some crackers, more cookies. More cookies, more cookies, more cookies, Mott's, peanuts, pretzels, more candy, more cookies. The only thing that's under a chip category would just be these. And these are like the only thing in my house that gets left behind after this box is gone. But this is the only thing that I would consider like a chip, because then there's just popcorn. So there's like no chips in this one, you guys. There's no chips in this one. But there you go. You do have these all to try out if you like coconut, because 3 of them is all coconut. 1 of them is not. That sounds like some plastic. And then popcorn and Jell-O. So yeah, there is definitely no chips in here. And I know on one of my last few videos that I did, one of you guys was actually subscribed to this, and one of your complaints was you're never really getting any chips in there. And I'm thinking, well, I get chips in mine. And this is like the first box, and I'm like, oh, I know what they're talking about now, because I didn't get no chips in this bag. So, I mean, I guess it's okay to do a lot more chocolate now that it's cooler, because once you get into the summer, everything will be melted by the time I get it here. But still, a variety is a variety, and there's no chips in this variety this month. So I'm going to point that out to you guys. So that is everything that I have to show you for my variety fun. I still don't know what month this is. So let's just call this good old February, because that's when we got it. Let's just call it February. If you want a little bit more information about variety fun, I will let you know right about now. I do have a code, which is SheCrafty50. That'll get you 50% off, which would make your first box $14.99 for the regular box. It's normally $29.99. That's right, they went up. It was $24.99, now it's $29.99, and you get 40 classic snacks in the fun box, or you can do the healthy fit box if they're still doing that one. That one was $39.99 for a rotating variety of premium healthy options. And Variety Fun Snack Subscription Service delivers an assortment of delicious snacks to your home and office. Every month, our team curates a snack box with a variety of tasty cookies, chips, candy, crackers, pretzels, popcorn, and nuts from your favorite brands. Just this time, we didn't have chips. With classic and healthy options, there's something for everyone. The snack subscription service is available in bi-weekly or monthly delivery options with free shipping and no commitment. With over 500 varieties of snacks, including both classic and healthy options, they're sure to find something that you will absolutely love. So the snack boxes are great for packing lunches, game nights, road trips, parties, or great to keep in your pantry for everyday snacking. And they also donate thousands of snacks every single month to families in need, which I really, really do like that. So I will have them linked down below if you would like to check them out. SheCrafty50 will get you 50% off your first purchase. I'm not sure if it's the first box or the first purchase, but that is what my code is. And that is everything, you guys. Again, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the variety this month? Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.